John 17 verse 1. After saying all these things, Jesus looked up to heaven and said, Father, the hour has come. Glorify your Son so he can give glory back to you. To be truly taken up in honest prayer from the heart, in spirit and in truth, is when prayer is directed towards God, knowing that He is Father, that He is love, and that He is grace, that He is righteous, and that it is His heart's desire that His will be done in you. When His will come to pass in you, it means that His hour for you has come. When His hour has come for you, then His glory will come in you too. Father's glory is the Son. When the Son is glorified in you, the Father is glorified too. That is the connection point in the power of prayer. The Father and the Son as one spirit attitude of the Godhead explodes into dunamis power in your innermost being. Answer to prayer is the glorification of God in your heart and thoughts. Activate the power of God in you with faith assurance by beginning with Father of our Lord Jesus Christ. And the glorification that took place in Jesus will start to take place in you too.